This is part 2 video of rebuilding this little truck, and in this video I'm gonna be installing a lithium battery. Truck working great with 20 volt DeWalt battery, but after seeing how great this quad runs on 24 volt lithium battery, I decided to install one there as well. Obviously, before installing a battery, I'm gonna figure out the charger port or charger area. My initial thought was making charger that can fit into this port right here. After spending hours and hours on the internet looking for exact type of port or charger, I found this one that I thought to use this portion and splice into a regular 24 volt lithium charger, but this doesn't work. Also, on the other side of this, that's what comes out. I have no idea what this one's for, but this comes out from here as well. So I decided that instead of doing all this, I'm gonna try to remove this piece and somehow install this traditional regular plug there. At least I'll give it a try. So that's a cable from inside the truck. This part was going to charging port. Here is charging port. So it looks like the ground was going from there straight inside the truck. The positive was going here and then inside the truck further. I guess it's a fuse or something, can't say for sure, but probably a fuse. So now we have this open, and I'm gonna figure out how to install charging port that came with a wiring for this truck. So I'm gonna have to add some wiring, but just to show you how I did it so far, I cut this bottom portion out, made holes on the sides. Now it can fit in like this, but obviously I still need to glue it together. I'm gonna use weld, it should do the job. Gonna keep it like this for probably an hour or so, and I think that port gonna be really strong after this. I just made this cable with a 15 amp fuse, and I'm gonna use that right there to go inside the truck. If you watch previous video, you know there's the volt battery adapter and there's a switch there. I'll be able to switch between that battery and the volt battery. Hopefully it's long enough, I think it is. And positive terminal cable is long enough. That's where the battery gonna go. While weld job is curing, I got here everything for the battery. Positive right here, ground's right here. I'll need to do some things here too. Off camera I connected the wiring to the charging port, and I'm gonna install charging port back in its place. Everything this side is done. I actually was able to push this in and it's not moving. Now it's time to install the battery. Initially I thought about getting two 12-volt batteries and do parallel connection or whatever it's called, but I couldn't find perfect sizes. I think this one is perfect size.
Yeah.
Oh, almost perfect. So we're gonna connect. Let's do a test run.
Here we go.
I'm really confused. It didn't work, had to unplug, plug in, bunch of stuff back, try to figure out where the issue is, and now it's working. Really weird. Maybe one of the connections was loose. Found this bracket, put it here, just gonna help keep battery from falling out, but it's not holding it super secure. Now I'm gonna put seats back on. Gonna see if it's faster than this 20 volt battery. It is definitely much faster. Still wonder what the issue was, why it wouldn't start. My guess is maybe battery terminals, maybe I didn't make connection. But if it's gonna happen again, I'm gonna address it for sure. After riding for like 5 minutes, truck stopped working again. Check wire and everything was correct, and at least this time I saw that the fuse was blown. Fuse I put in initially was 15 amps, now I put 30. Drove again for 5 minutes and so far so good. Before publishing this video, this truck gonna be driven at least 30 minutes to an hour, and if there are gonna be any more issues, I'll definitely address that. And just connected the charger, and it is working. As you can see, this can be closed, and I think this project is done. So this way I didn't have to spend much money on this setup because I used existing wiring with a charging port, JB weld right here to make it look stuck, and that's pretty much it. It's charging fine. Well, this project is done. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else to it. Maybe later on I'll add more lights to it, but probably not. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll reply as soon as I can. I'll provide Amazon affiliate links for battery, charger, anything else I used in this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.